Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Beamer Merchant doing another do-it-yourself video. Today we're gonna show you how you can take a few easy steps and diagnose or find out if you have a bad mass airflow sensor. As always, if you're having issues with your engine, we always recommend you take it to a dependable shop and they can properly diagnose your issue. But in this case, we'll show you some basic steps you can take at home to determine whether you need a new mass airflow sensor. Now we're dealing with, this one's a 2001 BMW 325. It's a 2.5 liter engine. The issue we're having is the following. All right, so this is the issue we're having. Car turns on, but it dies out. We thought we had a vacuum leak. It dies out. You came here to the engine, disconnected the 3-pin wire connector. Let's go back inside. Okay, let's go back in here, turn the car on. All of a sudden, the car or the engine stays on. But if you notice, you got a check engine light on. After pulling out the codes, our scanner did say that we needed a mass airflow sensor. So that's one way, or actually, yeah. Lastly, if you take your left foot, press on the brake, and try to rev the engine, as I'm trying to do right now, nothing happens. That's how you know that your mass airflow sensor needs to get replaced. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed our 2-minute informative video. If you have any questions, comments, let us know. We also sell these parts and many other parts for your BMW. We encourage you to check out our website posted below. It's viewers like you that come to our website, purchase parts that allows us to do what we do and hopefully help somebody out there diagnose a problem. Thank you for watching. You have an awesome day. Take care.